Okay guys, I picked up this stud finder. I don't remember what I paid for it. I got it at Harbor Freight. Pretty sure it was the cheapest one they had. It is made in the USA. Try to give you the specs here so you can kind of look at it. I did already have this open. Now from what I understand, this has 3 sensors in it. I give you your owner's manual here, which I can't get out for some reason. Alright, well, you should be able to download that off of the, oh, there it comes. Maybe. Wow. Messed that up. Apparently it was glued in there. Alright, comes with this here, lifetime warranty. You know, basic bunch of directions, which I'm not reading all that. It's easier just to download the PDF file because you can blow that up and enlarge it. Now the batteries just go in here. I put the batteries in. Those are what, triple A's look like, I believe. Yeah, triple A's. They're Harbor Freight batteries. And I think, where do I have a stud at? Let me move the camera over a little bit. I think there's a stud under here. Move over. Yep. I do have a line on the table. I don't know if you can see it or not. That, or I have a stud under here. But, yeah, that's basically it. I said, I don't remember what I paid for it. Probably around 10 bucks. Something like that. I'll put the details in the description below. If you guys want to check it out. But yeah, like I said, there's not much to it. Seems to work. I haven't had no problems with it. I've only used it twice, but okay guys.